Right. My name is Mary Linehan, and we teach transition years how to create games without necessarily using code. Now, in our school, the first, second, and third years they get to use computers, so we teach them all the Microsoft stuff in the earlier years. So they use Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint. So it's great to have the opportunity to do something different in transition year. So we do gaming. So why teach them gaming? Because it's fun, it's interactive, like it doesn't get much better really, because they love gaming. But apart from all this, you have the collaboration aspect, because I get them to work in pairs or in groups of 3. So they're collaborating with each other, they're communicating, they're working on their problem solving, which is the biggest part of the game, because not all the games work. And out of a class of however many, 20 in the class, I might only get 2 or 3 sets of games that actually see it to the end. But the process involved in getting even halfway through, it's all of this collaboration, communication, teamwork, problem solving. They learn so much by doing it. They do like it in general. What I like about Game Maker is it reaches out to all. So the girls who are not interested in coding, they can still use Game Maker. They don't have to be into coding. But the students that are into coding, you can take it to the next level and you could use more advanced games. So that's what I like. So the first thing we do is we look at what you need for a game. So every game needs to have images, it needs to have sound, it needs to have a goal, because there's no point playing a game if you don't have a goal. For the images, I take them through GIMP. It's free. We just do it specifically to create images for the game. So I just take it 2 or 3 classes in September. Maybe 1 class for sound, GarageBand or Audacity. All you need to do is turn on GarageBand and leave them off, and they learn how to record their voices and create the beep sounds, etc. Every game needs a goal. So the first game we look at is Pac-Man, the old arcade game. And when we're looking at I'm just going to put on a video of some of the games while I'm talking. When you're looking at Pac-Man, you've got the good guys and the bad guys. You need to navigate the screen. You need to advance to the next level. You've got scoring involved. So the basics of Pac-Man actually help for any type of games. Now, these are our first years. The first year we brought it in, which is about 3 years ago. So some of these are quite basic. But as the videos go on, they get more advanced. This one was made the year after, and it was to promote the benefits of milk. And in between each level, they had notes on how good milk is for you. So it was a good game. And the whole idea was that the player avoids the Coke and the chocolate and drinks all the milk. So yeah, it was a good idea. That was about 2 years ago now, I'm not sure. So when I'm actually starting to teach Game Maker, the first day is always we play Pac-Man, and we might even play Pac-Man for 2 days. You know, we talk about the advantages and the disadvantages and how advanced it is or not advanced. Then we look at what they want to play, and we do a design sheet, what elements of a game they'd like to bring into it. Then we actually make Pac-Man. It takes about 6 days or 40 minutes. I break it down. The first day we look at what images we need, so I break it down into the 6 days. And after that, after the 6 days, they have the basics of creating any one of these games. And these ones are all created without using code. This one and the next one were using code, so they're that little bit more advanced. But like I say, you don't have to if you don't want. What else? This lot of games we entered into the Aircom Spiders Award, you know, the Aircom Junior Spiders. And it was very, like this guy, this was created using code, and they actually won the overall thing, so it was brilliant for them. But as I said in the start, it's not about the winning or it's not about creating the game, it's the process involved. So for the most part, it is successful. And that's it. Thank you very much. The software used is Game Maker, GIMP for the images, GarageBand for the sound. They're all free. They go cross-platform in Mac or Windows. And if you need any tutorials or anything on them, I have them on WordPress. It's no problem. Thank you.